Erwin Rommel was Hitler's favorite general, a national hero, a propaganda symbol. So when his name appeared in whispers of betrayal, Germany was stunned. To the world, Rommel was the desert fox, brilliant, loyal, untouchable. Hitler trusted him, the Allies respected him. But myths don't fight wars, men do.
As the war dragged on, Rommel saw what others refused to admit. Germany couldn't win. Resources were gone, allies were overwhelming, and Hitler refused to listen. That's when loyalty began to fracture.
Rommel wasn't a politician, but he wasn't blind either. He saw Hitler ignore reality, blame generals, sacrifice soldiers for ideology. This wasn't leadership, it was obsession.
Rommel also witnessed the human cost. Cities destroyed, civilians killed. For the first time, he began speaking openly. The war had to end.
By 1944, resistance figures quietly reached out. Rommel didn't plan assassinations, but he did support removing Hitler and negotiating peace. In Nazi Germany, that alone was treason.
After the failed July 20th assassination attempt, names poured out under torture. Rommel's was among them. No proof he planned the bomb, but enough to seal his fate. Hitler didn't arrest Rommel publicly. That would shatter morale. Instead, he offered a choice: public disgrace and execution, or a quiet death.
Rommel chose silence. He took poison. His family was spared. Germany mourned a hero, never told the truth.
Rommel didn't betray Germany. He betrayed a man who had betrayed reality itself. And in doing so, he paid the highest price, without ever speaking his defense.
History remembers loud rebels, but sometimes the most dangerous betrayal is quiet. Not a bomb, not a speech, just a general who finally refused to pretend. For more untold stories of the moments that changed history, subscribe and keep exploring the past.